Alright guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be talking about my M3, but specifically I'm going to be doing I would say a product placement. I'm talking very specifically about my Lux Angel Eyes halo bulbs, the LEDs that I put in this car a little while back now. I've had them, I'll put it on the screen for how long I've had them, but the car is warming up, the lights are obviously on as they normally are, and I wanted to give sort of a comprehensive thought and review of the Lux lights. Essentially the issue with these M3s is that the stock bulbs, the stock Angel Eyes is the name of what they are. Their Angel Eyes are halogen bulbs and they're very yellow looking. So when you're driving around a 2011, you need all the refresh you can get, in my opinion. So that is exactly what these Lux bulbs do. Obviously, so right now it's like 4:30 p.m. so it's kind of sunny out, but you can see, I mean, they are very white. The only thing I would say as part of this little comprehensive review is the outside bulb is not as bright as the inside bulb, and that is the case stock. If you look at a stock car, the inside is brighter than the outside, but you don't notice it as much when it's the stock bulbs than if it's the aftermarket, because the aftermarket is more than twice as bright. So when you put in twice as bright bulb, they're going to be more noticeable, brighter, less bright. And even in camera right now, this looks like it's not fully lit, but trust me, it is. I've had no issues with these things. I put them in 2 M3s, one of them mine, one of my friends, and we've had no issues. And I've only heard one person bitching on the forums about some bulb that they bought 5 years ago or something like that. So we have absolutely nothing to complain about for these Lux bulbs. The only problem, the only issue I have, which I wish they didn't do, is they have a sort of a dimmer thing. So when you lock the car, the lights are supposed to go down gently, but with LEDs you can't dim them. At least in this car you can't dim them. They were never meant to be dimmed as an LED bulb, but they were meant to be dimmed as a halogen. So these ones do not dim, but they kind of flicker when you let the bulbs, when you like unlock the car and then never press another button. So they do have that little flickering thing going on, but they do not throw a code. The car acts exactly the same. The only difference is obviously they're brighter and they're white. These are the H8 180s. And then the only other difference I would say is that little flickering thing. There's no codes, there's nothing. And it's just one bulb that you put in inside the headlight. All right, so we're gonna go inside the garage here. Hopefully the camera focuses a little bit. Yeah, because in the car the light was shining all weird. It's a little quieter inside the garage. The H8 180 bulbs, it seems like a lot of people are still asking questions about them. I hope I covered all the big questions. I wanted to just honestly do a quick little review and product placement video to let you know that I am working with Lux lights and I do get a discount. Right now it's 10 bucks off if you guys buy it through me, and right now I'm still using my PayPal to accept funds and then send them out. They go direct, they drop ship from Lux. I don't have them in stock myself. I alert Lux when I get an order, and a lot of times I get a DM on Instagram, a few questions, and then I send you my PayPal, and then you just send me 190 bucks. That's how much these are shipped into the US, free shipping. So it's 190 out the door. That's the total price. Normally they're 200 bucks, and really the benefit is that I get a little commission from it and you guys get a little bit of discount from it. So if you're looking for some crazy discounts, this is not the place for crazy discounts. This is the place for value, information, and hopefully a little bit of incentive like that. I'll able to get you guys 10 bucks off. If you're gonna spend 200, saving 10 isn't significant, but it's a little bit of savings. So I had a few people honestly giving me a hard time, like, oh, that's not really a deal. I'm like, well, that's not the point. If you're only buying them for me, if you're only buying them from me just to save money and you don't care about anything else, you don't care about me, you don't care about supporting the channel and stuff like that, then obviously you're buying them for the wrong reasons. And I had a couple people not buy them for that reason, where they were just only concerned about getting more than $10 off. You know, well, could you do better? No, I mean, honestly, I should sell them for $200. but I don't. So I'm sorry, I'm not mad at anyone, but every once in a while it gets a little frustrating when you are trying to help with a little bit of a discount. Long story short, you are able to get $10 off, but what you have to do right now, the process, I'm able to be productive enough if you send me a DM on Instagram. It's BMB_M3, and I'll put it in the description and on this video. You get 10 bucks off. So if you are interested, I would definitely do that. It comes right from Lux. It doesn't come through me. So if there's any issues with the bulbs, or they're broken, or you don't like them, or whatever it happens to be, Lux will help you directly, just like you bought it from them. You won't have to deal with me ever again. Unless you want to, then you can send me a DM and say, hey, what's up, dude? That's fine. So that is my review. There's really not a lot to them. The only other option, so I would say, if you think that spending $190 or $200 is expensive, I would say look at the cheaper options. There's really none, and the only other cheap options are the cheap eBay ones, which most people that DM me say, oh, I tried the $70 eBay ones, or I tried the $50, or I tried this and that and the other. And something happened. The harness got bad, it burnt out, they flickered, they had issues, they had an engine code, whatever happens to be, they had an issue. So spending $200 is not that bad to totally refresh the lights, and you'll never have to touch it again. I've had these through winter time and through last year. And the other alternative, if you want to spend more money than 200 bucks, or 190 if you buy them through me, is getting them completely retrofitted, which does look better. It's a more effective look. It's almost like an LCI plus. So of course the M3s didn't get the front refresh. The other option is getting them retrofitted, which a lot of guys get. My friend Adam has them. I think every M3 he's had, he said, too. And they look really good, but it's very pricey, of course, because most times you have to send them out. You have to physically send the actual whole unit out. You can do it yourself potentially, but I wouldn't recommend doing that, because everyone I know who's done it themselves seem to have a leak or there's some issue. So I would send them out to a professional to have it done, or buy them after they've already professionally been done by, there's a few companies out there. I'm not that familiar, because I wasn't ready to spend, you know, $700 to $1,200, I think is kind of what they range, which I guess isn't horribly bad. But as you guys know, it took me a while to upgrade my lights. A while in respect to the fact that everyone was complaining and telling me that it looks awful with the yellow bulbs in there. So I ended up doing that quicker than I thought I would, and spending that money just because everyone's suggestion actually paid off. It was really nice, and I'm so happy I did it, and I'm so happy for the relationship with Lux. I deal with Mark a lot. He's the owner, and he's awesome, always helping me out and dealing with my shenanigans of getting all these orders in. And I have pretty frequent orders, so this is hopefully another incentive for you guys to get anything through me and help support the channel, because it really does make a difference. When I do product stuff, it does make a difference. But as you can see, I'm not gonna like talk about anything that I haven't actually done. And it's weird because it's sort of a side rant. If you're interested, the Lux lights are what you can get a discount through me, obviously, and then you can also get the BPM tune. I have a stage 2 BPM tune that I just recently did. I did 2 full in-depth videos on that tune, and I'm going to be doing a bunch more. I have the whole selection of what I did on the tune, what I regret, what I don't, why is it different, why is it expensive, because the tune's very expensive for these cars, and it's made it to the VIN, so you can only do it once. So it's kind of imperative that you pick something good, hopefully that you're gonna love. So I have a relationship with BPM Sport Tunes, and hit that place up. If you want to get a discount, you can get 10% off of the market price for a tune for an E90X M3. You get 10% off, so I will also put that in the description if you're interested. That equates to well over $80 in savings if you're spending roughly 800 or 900 bucks. So that's a lot of savings if you're gonna buy a tune. And he doesn't normally run those specials, but I showed him the channel and I told him, you know, what I was gonna be doing, and that a lot of people ask questions. So it's funny, Travis's freaking M3 was in my video. If you guys know O-State M3, go give him a follow. He is in Texas, holding up the Texas crew. He had the Lux lights, and everyone's freaking asking about his Lux lights because he's in the background of my video. So, and I didn't have them yet. So when I bought the Lux, my idea was, hey, I'm gonna reach out in advance because I know what's gonna happen. People are gonna ask questions. If they ask questions about some O-State M3 bro, why wouldn't they ask questions about me? I know his car is like a crazy monster and is very attention grabbing, but still, even just stuff in the background people ask about. So that is kind of the rationale for why I do what I'm doing. That was a kind of a quick little update. You guys understand my relationship with Lux. I will consider maybe doing more than a $10 off discount for Lux. So right now, if I offered them for the full price, I'm eating that $10, to be honest with you guys. So the fact that I get you guys $10 off prevents me from receiving those funds. So I am eating that cost. I don't know if you guys kind of knew that or not, but I get them at a wholesale, a cheaper price, and then I'm able to sort of choose what price I receive and put in the order and have them drop shipped. But I am eating that $10, and I think maybe for a special or a holiday or something like that, maybe I'll do, you know, 20 bucks off, or maybe I'll just buy one really cheap and give it away and it's $100, or I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing. But anyways, that was a really quick update. All the information is below. Those are the two really big companies I'm working with right now, especially for it's really specific to the M3. I'm trying to get freaking Adams to work with me. I'm tagging him in so much stuff. I'm trying to take good pictures, and I'm buying hundreds of dollars worth of their shit. Anyways, it's sort of the same story, and I've submitted 2 requests to be a sponsor, to be on their sponsor list, where they help you out, give you a code, give you a bunch of discounted stuff that you can talk about. I just bought their Ultra Foam shampoo. I'm super excited about that. So obviously I'm gonna do it anyways, kind of like what I said from the beginning. I'm gonna do it anyways. But I want these companies to work with me. So if you guys know, if you're from Adams or know anyone from Adams Polishes, I buy a lot of their stuff. I mean, you guys can see even right there. I mean, I'm not the #1 Adams user, but there's even down there's a lot of stuff. But it'd be nice to get like a little kickback for stuff I use in every single detailing video. I talk about them and I tag them. So, and they do respond, they're very responsive. But it's just weird that like I detail and like have a clean car, I would say, in my opinion. They don't respond, so it's frustrating. So help me out. If you feel like it, send them a message and say, check this bro out. He's detailing with your shit all the time. You should give him a discount. So anyways, guys, I know that was a really long rant, but I was excited and I want to get you guys up to speed and up to date. These update videos as it gets warmer are really nice. Let me know if I did forget anything. Hopefully I talked about everything very important about what I did talk about, the tune and the Lux lights and a few updates. But that's it. So information below, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.